Imagine working hard your entire life, only to retire with barely enough money to survive. Sounds scary, right? Well, here's the shocking truth. Only 3% of people retire with $1 million or more. But is $1 million even enough? How much do you really need to achieve financial freedom? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer and a plan to secure your future. Retirement planning can feel overwhelming. Numbers are thrown around, but what do they actually mean for you? In this video, we'll break it all down in simple terms. We'll talk about how much money you really need to retire comfortably, factors that impact your financial freedom, and how you can start preparing today even if you're starting from zero. Financial freedom isn't just about retiring at 65. It's about having enough wealth to live life on your terms without worrying about running out of money. Whether you dream of retiring early, traveling the world, or just living stress-free, financial freedom gives you choices. But the big question is, how much money do you actually need? There isn't a one-size-fits-all answer, but here's a simple rule of thumb. The 25x rule. Take your annual expenses and multiply it by 25. That's the amount you need to retire comfortably. For example, if you need $40,000 per year to live, you'd need about $1 million saved up. $40,000 25. The 4% rule. This rule says you can safely withdraw 4% of your savings each year without running out of money. So, if you have $1 million, you can withdraw $40,000 per year. But here's the catch: $1 million might not be enough for everyone. Why? Because of inflation, healthcare costs, and lifestyle choices. One, where you live. Retiring in New York City costs way more than in a small town. Cost of living plays a huge role. 2, inflation. Prices rise over time. What costs $1,000 today could cost $2,000 in the future. 3, healthcare costs. Medical expenses can drain your savings fast, especially as you age. 4, lifestyle choices. Do you want a simple life or luxury travel and fancy cars? All of these factors determine whether $1 million is enough or if you'll need more. Good news, you don't need to be a millionaire to retire comfortably. Here's how to fast-track your way to financial freedom. Save aggressively. The more you save, the faster you reach financial freedom. Aim for at least 20 to 30% of your income. Invest wisely. Don't just save, invest. Use index funds, real estate, and stocks to grow your wealth. Avoid debt. High-interest debt can kill your progress. Pay off credit cards and loans ASAP. Create passive income. Side businesses, rental properties, or dividends can fund your retirement without touching your savings. So, how much do you personally need? Here's a quick way to find out. 1, write down your expected yearly expenses to multiply that by 25. 3, adjust for inflation and lifestyle goals, and boom, you have your magic number. Whether it's $1 million, $2 million, or even just $500,000, now you have a clear target. Financial freedom isn't just for the rich, it's for anyone willing to plan and take action. Start today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Now tell me, what's your financial freedom number? Drop it in the comments below.